Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SmartThings automations for sunset lighting, full guide step by step clearly.
Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone.
Make sure your SmartThings hub is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network.
Tap on the Automations tab at the bottom of the screen. Select the Add Automation option. Choose Add Condition to set the time for sunset. Scroll to Find and select Location Settings. Input your location to determine accurate sunset times. After setting your location, return to the automation setup. Next, select Add Action to define the lighting behavior. Choose your smart lighting device from the available list. Set the action to turn on for the selected lights. You can adjust the brightness and color if your smart lights support it. To enhance your automation, click on Add a delay if needed. This delay can be used to time the lights to turn on a few minutes before or after sunset. Review your automation settings to ensure everything is correct. Give your automation a name for easy identification later. Once you're satisfied, tap Save to activate your sunset lighting automation. Test the automation to confirm it triggers as expected at sunset. You can also modify or delete the automation from the same section if needed. Enjoy your new automated sunset lighting setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.